Hello guys. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to stop being a scared chicken and take risk. You should know that the fear of taking risk is actually holding you back. If you don't take risk, you're not going to go far in life. You're going to be in the same place for years. But when you take risk, you stretch. When you come out of your comfort zone, you stretch. And the more you stretch, the more you become better. So you need to come out of your shell. Stop being a chicken. Leave. Try new things. Take risk. And when I talk about risk, I'm talking about good risk. Oh. I'm not talking about, carry guns, start shooting people, start scamming people, go into prostitution. No. I'm talking about good risk. And stop overthinking things. Stop overthinking your future. The fear of tomorrow makes us to still be in our comfort zone, makes us to, oh my God, no, I like this place where I am. I know it's cold here, but I'd rather be here. No, I don't want to go to warmth. Then you keep being in the same place. You just be in the cold. You don't want to experience sun. You don't want sun to shine on you, to shine and beat you and shake you. You know you can do better. I'm just trying to let you know that you can do better and you shouldn't be scared to fail. I failed last year and I cried my eyes out, but I didn't die. The money I lost, I've not even recovered it from the person, but I'm still living. The more you take risk, the more you enjoy life better. The more you survive every risk you take, the more you become fearless, the more you become stronger. You need to stretch yourself. You need to teach yourself how to be strong because I can't teach you how to be strong. The strength has to come from within you. So you need to teach yourself to be strong. Nobody can teach you how to be strong. Nobody can teach you how to stop being a scared chicken. The only thing I can do is to talk, 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 talk. But I cannot come and open your head and put all those things in your head. No, I cannot do it. So the best I can do is to talk. And I believe and I hope that you listen and you apply the things I'm talking about. If you're not brave today, you're going to be brave tomorrow. If you're not brave tomorrow, you're going to be brave in your 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Some people are unlucky that they are never brave till they die. So my point is, you need to be brave today. You need to teach yourself how to be brave. You need to teach yourself how to be strong now. You need to be fierce. You need to be fearless. You need to be tough. Try new things. Start coming out of your comfort zone. Start trying those things you've never tried before. If you want to start a new business, I think it's time for you to start. You can learn on the job. If you have something new, if you have a new risk you want to take, if you have a bold step you want to take, just do it and learn while you are still doing it. Most times you just want to wait till we see a clearer picture before we do that thing. Trust me, there is no clearer picture. It's till you start doing that thing that things will start getting clear or clearer to you. But if you keep waiting that, oh my God, I just want to wait for 1 month, 2 months, maybe by next year, maybe by middle of this year, I'll be sure of what I want to do next. You will wait tire. You will not be sure. So you need to put your head inside and do it. The worst thing that can happen is it doesn't work. And if it doesn't work, you learn from your mistake. The lessons you learned or the lessons you're going to learn are going to help you do better next time. And trust me, you're going to succeed exceedingly next time. We have never lived this life before. I have never ever done this video I'm doing before. I have never lived this life before. I've never lived this moments, this time, this minutes before. I'm trying to figure out life. You too, you have never lived this moment before. You have never done these things you're doing now before. So you have to cut yourself some slack because we're all learning, we're all living, we're all trying to be better. Stop looking back at your mistakes. Your mistakes are supposed to help make you a better person. Your mistakes are not supposed to hold you back from moving forward. You're supposed to look at your mistakes and be like, okay, I learned this from this, and then you move ahead. You're not supposed to lie on your mistakes and romance your mistakes and sleep it and be like, my mistake, I'm gonna hug you. It's me and you forever. No, you forgive yourself for all the mistakes you've made before in your past, and you start learning how to trust yourself. And you start learning how to trust yourself again. Because sometimes when we failed, we stop trusting ourselves. We start becoming so scared of I'm trying to check my mic because sometimes this mic just goes off on me. You start becoming so scared of living. You start becoming so scared of trying that thing you tried before that didn't work. You need to trust yourself. You need to know that you have learned. And now you're not going to make the same mistake you made before. Okay? Cut yourself some slack. Be gentle on yourself. Treat yourself like a baby and be patient with yourself. We are just figuring out life. We're just living this life and we're trying the best that we can. So forgive yourself and move on. Forgive yourself and forge ahead. Stop looking back. There's nothing behind. There's nothing. See, nothing. The only thing behind me is just mirror and a reflection of me. So I can't always look back. The more you look back, the more you go behind. The more you look back, the more you drag yourself behind. You need to look focused, ahead, forward ever, backward ever, backward never. Never, 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 never. In Jesus' name, never, 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 never. Do that thing you have always wanted to do. You can be or do anything whatsoever you want to be or do. You can be anybody you want to be. You can do anything whatsoever you want to do. Stop limiting yourself. You're the one actually overthinking these things and limiting yourself and putting so much boundaries on you. You're the one pulling yourself back. All these things you are thinking are all in your head. You're just the one overthinking them and overanalyzing them. Why? Why? Tell me why. Who told you that you can't be great? Who told you that you can't do so much for yourself? It is you. You're the one. Maybe you even listen to the wrong people. Maybe even listen to people or you're in the midst of people that don't push you to be your best. You should know how to make friends that are tough, friends that are brave, friends that if you share your ideas with, they are like, yes, you can do it. Go, 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 girl, go, boy, go, man, go. Stop sharing your ideas with little minds because they're gonna they're gonna make you think that you can't achieve those things you want to achieve. They're gonna make you think that you can't even take risk. They're gonna make you think that even if you want to try that thing you want to try, that it's not gonna work. So you're gonna be like, oh, right, it's not gonna work. Then you go back to your head and you start analyzing and accepting the failure. You have not even tried this thing and you're already scared. You have not even tried this thing and you're already thinking about how much you're going to fail, how much you're going to disappoint yourself and people around you. You have not even tried and you're already thinking about the possible bad scenarios that are going to play out. It's you that is doing yourself. Oh. You have to start thinking positively. You have to start believing in yourself. You have to start thinking and believing that you can do and be anything or anyone whatsoever that you want to be. Okay? Trust yourself and also trust your God. You need to pray. Pray for strength, for God to give you strength, for you to be your best self, for you to do the best things you can do and achieve the best things of life. We are all meant to be great. We are not meant to be mediocre or just to be like that, come into this world and die like a chicken. Oh my God, I'm dead. I'm gone. No, you're meant to be great. And if you don't take risk, you're not going to be great. You see all those people you admire, even the ones you look at on the internet and you're like, wow, I really admire this person and this person's lifestyle. They took risk and they are still taking risk. All those great people you look up to and you like, they take risk. They come out of their comfort zone. That is why they are going far. They are waxing. They keep showing up for themselves. They keep working hard. They keep trying new things. They keep coming out of their comfort zone, and they keep succeeding. But the funny thing is that most of them fail too. As they are taking risks, they are failing, but they are learning from their mistakes. They are picking themselves up because they cannot give up. But you, even me last year, the scam I passed through, I was like, I want to die. Oh my God, please, my chest, I'm dead. Ah, they took my kidney away. I failed though. Then I laid, I gave up. Now when I look back, I'm like, why did I even give up? I would have continued pushing it. I would cry, clean my tears, continue pushing my hustle. If I had done that, I would have gone further in life. I would have gone far, 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 far. So Don't give up when you fail. Don't give up when you make mistakes. Even when you take risk and it doesn't work, take risk again, again, and again until you get it right. I remember when I was crying about that scam ordeal I passed through, I was like, I'm not going to do investment again. Now that my eyes are cleared, I'm like, what? I'm going to invest again and again and again. I'm going to have acres of land, of property. Me, I'm going to do so well for myself. You need to believe in yourself like that, because it's lack of belief in yourself that is making you not to take risks. It's making you to be in your comfort zone because you don't trust yourself. You don't trust yourself that you can do so well. You don't trust yourself that you can succeed and you can win. You need to start learning how to trust yourself, because if you can't trust yourself, you can't believe in yourself. Who will? Oh, you think your family? You think your mom, your father? No, you have to believe in yourself first before anybody. Okay? All right. Anyways, this is the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. You learned a thing to a lot from this video. Please like it if you did, share with your friends, and subscribe. We need to hit 10,000. Oh. I'm not playing this year. Eh? I'm tired of being scared. I'm like, oh no, what if I put video out there? Is it gonna do well? What if I put out video out there and it does so well? Just what if? What if I drop this video and it has 100,000 of views, 1 million views, 3 million views? What if? Most times you're just scared. And that's why I was not consistent with dropping content, with putting videos out there, because I was scared. What if, oh, my videos are not going up? Keep crying, Sieta. Let's get to work. Life is going to work out for us, okay? The more we take risks, the more we put ourselves out there, the more we do better, the more life will work out for us. See you guys in my next video. Bye.